Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making baked ricotta cheese panzerotti. And this recipe has no sugar at all. You know, sweet enough with maple syrup. I will start to do the dough. Okay, I'll put the eggs here. Just put a little bit of maple syrup. Olive oil. I will beat this by hand. Okay, I'm gonna add the vanilla. You can use the liquid, but today I'm using the powder. Okay, and I'm gonna start adding the flour. So I'm just going to work the dough with my hands in the bowl for a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit more flour. Okay. Until it takes all the flour here that I have inside this bowl. Yeah. Okay, so the dough is done for the panzerotti. Now I'm gonna do the filling inside. Okay, so I'll start adding the ricotta here. Okay. Now I'm gonna add an egg. Lemon zest. I'm just gonna mix it until everything is combined, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the maple syrup. I'm gonna try if it's sweet enough. It's good. I'll just add a little more. I'll just mix it, and I'm gonna start assembling the panzerotti. Just put some flour on the counter. I'll put some flour here. Always add some flour so it doesn't stick to the bottom. This dough, it's so good. It's like a cookie. I've made this many times before. It's really good. No baking powder in this recipe. So you put a nice big tablespoonful of ricotta, and then kind of a scoop like that, just to show, and you close all around. Yeah. So I'll just do with this. I don't know if you can see. And now you just go like that. Nice. Okay, we'll put in a pizza pan, and I'm gonna do the egg wash after. So the little pieces that you take out, when you cut them around, you use them. This one is a bit bigger, but it's okay, it's good. They're nice and full of ricotta. You can make them smaller if you want, it's up to you. we make them this size. I'm going to turn the oven on. I'm going to do the egg wash for the top. Okay, with the brush. Usually we put sugar on top, but I'm not gonna put sugar because I did them all without sugar. It's only maple syrup in this recipe. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the stevia. Okay, now we kind of poke them just like this. Okay, and I'll put some stevia on top. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. It's optional. You can put sugar if you like. As soon as the oven is ready, I will put them in and I will show you them when they are ready. Okay, the panzerotti are ready. I'm gonna cut one. They're still hot, but I'm gonna cut one to show you. Nice and cooked, bottom. They look delicious. They're still warm, but I can hardly wait. I'm gonna try it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. The panzerotti are delicious. I hope you make them. Until next time, ciao for now.